Hi, good morning, everybody. Welcome to a new video where we are going to learn how to do the project about the spider map of the structural elements. This project is to study the Unit 5 structure, so you have to open the Unit 5, and here you know that some of the things you have to learn is describe and identify the structural elements. To do this, we are going to do a chart with the shape of a spider web, okay, and using the structural elements, okay. So we are going to organize the information that we can find here about the structural elements. So here essentially we are going to study the pillar and pier, the beam, struts and ties that are elements of the truss structure, the arc, shell, foundation, the shallow and the deep foundation, and the cable. With this, we have to do a spider map, a spider chart. How we do this? How to do that? First, we have to go to our Google account, and here in Applications, we go to the Google Jamboard. That is a whiteboard by Google. Okay, this is the main screen of the Google Jamboard. So to start a new one, we click here in New Jam. We click there, and this is the main screen. Okay, this is how you can draw. You can, for example, put stickers. Okay, you can, I don't know, you can use this, the circle, square, triangle, figures, and this is, okay, it saves automatically. So you come here, you give the name, okay, your name, and then accept, and then you save it, okay. And when you come back, okay, here you have this one, that is the one you have created. Okay, I'm gonna eliminate because this is nothing, and I'm gonna use this one, okay, to show you more things about that. Okay, this is another jump that I have created before, where you have several things. For example, you know that it is possible to find more than one frame. Okay, this is one, but if you go here, you can see more frames that I have created before, with examples of the spider map of the structural elements. For example, this. Okay, as you can see here, you have structural elements and these arrows, and then in each arrow you have this. How can we do this arrow? How can we create this circle with the name in the middle? Let's see how to do it. So the way to do it is by creating, of course, a circle. Okay, here you take a circle, create the circle, right? And then using the test, type the test and write, for example, beam. And then you have here the beam. With this selection tool, you can adapt the size of the beam and you can move it in the middle of the circle, right? Here you can also modify and then give it a color, for example, okay? And that's it. Okay, you want to, the same with arrows, okay? You want to do an arrow, you have here the arrows, and then you create an arrow, right? You can modify the color, and if you want, you can move it, okay? Duplicate it, make it greater or smaller, and put it put it below, behind the square or over this. With this, I can pass it to the background, and then, as you can see, this square is over the arrow. Imagine that you want to draw straight lines similar to this. Okay, they are straight lines. Can you see? Okay, to do straight lines, you have to use the shift key. The shift key and this, and the pen, okay? I take one color, wait, I'm gonna take, for example, the color red, right? And now, if I draw free, I draw a free line. But if I want to draw straight, I have to click on the shift key and then start the draw to draw the line. And as you can see, I'm drawing a straight line. It works for also for the rest of the tool. For example, for this one, okay, the same. I draw a straight line that now is thicker. Or using this, okay, I'm gonna draw again a straight line. Okay, you want to use it to underline, for example. Or even you want to use this, okay, in case you want to use it to do a background of the letters. Okay, there are many more things that we are going to see in new videos. I stop this to avoid it, make it very long. See you in new.